Okay, well, what are we doing here, Tiana?
Picnic.
Picnic in the park. And there's Ricky and Sadie. How you doing, Sadie? There's her butt, anyway.
What a lovely.
Ricky! Hello, Ricky. Hello, Bullfrog. And there's Tiana, my picnicking buddy.
Yay.
Yay, and here's our teddy bear picnic rug.
And
Yes, and a picnic basket. And my shoes very uncomfortable. And my handbag. So what do we have here now? We have... Oh, I thought these felt a bit smaller. Yours. Well,
oh yeah, you're wearing yours.
we have Fanta and Pepsi Max, and straws, and roll-ups, and cookies, and Chicos, and Doritos, and Tiana's special picnic basket. Okay, so this is the park, and we're really hoping we don't see anyone we know. Yeah, we're on a major slope here. Back where we were. Okay, I think that's enough now.